morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you guys doing? Let me just take one of these. It's much better. So today I'm going to make a video about Termux. How to install Termux on Android and how to install Kali Linux on Termux. Basically, Termux is a terminal emulator, okay? Another thing, we don't have to install Kali Linux to use Kali Linux tools in Termux because they are available for Termux itself. We just have to type pkg install and then the name of the package we want to install. Obviously, we have to check to search for it, okay? So first thing, we have to go to F-Droid. Okay, don't use the Termux from Play Store because they don't work well. Okay, they're not updated. Let me close this and then close this too. Oops, let me see something. Yeah, it's two. And then here, go to fdroid.org and then download. Now I already have F-Droid downloaded. Let me see. Yeah. Let's download it, and then for me it's going to ask download again. I will say I will cancel, but you can download for the first time. Let's take it from here and then go to the files. I'm going to my downloads, and then we can see I have two. Okay, I downloaded before. I tried to make a video, but I did something. I forgot to put the microphone to record also. So I'm going to open and allow it to install from the source. So install, and it's installing F-Droid. Now I have to do this fast because on my lunch time, I have like 40 minutes for now. I ate in 20 and open. Okay, so now it's going to update the repos, right? It's a little bit fast. I have like 400 megabytes of internet connection here. Yeah, 348, 238. Yeah, 238 too. So let's wait a little bit and turn cancel. The heck? Yeah, I just put on my computer. So sorry for my hair. Okay, I'm working, so and I just changed my shirt because you know why I don't have internet connection. Just a second. And now I don't have, so it stopped working. Right, let's see, it's updating the repos. Yeah, so here we have already updated repos from F-Droid. Just press on the search icon and then type Termux. Oops. Termux here. We are going to download Termux terminal emulator with packages. Right, to press on it and then install. Now we'll download it and then we're going to be asked for permission to install this on Android. My favorite energy drink. Really, my friend, very good. I really like it. So on settings, we are going to give permission, allow from the source, and back there, and back here, and then install it. Okay, so it's installing and install. Okay, let's wait a little bit to finish. So every time we install something, we have to update and upgrade, except on Windows. Actually, normally we do that. Okay, I always update for firewalls and any kind of software. Here, it's very simple to use, and if you guys pay attention, we have welcome to Termux, community forum, Gitter chat, IRC channel, and then working with packages. So we have search packages. We can just enter a name and then it's going to bring to us. Install a package, the same thing. Upgrade packages, okay? But for now we are going to update and upgrade Termux. So pkg update. Wait a second. I'm going to use both hands. Let me close here. Update and pkg upgrade and then Y and press enter. Okay, let me see if it's recording. Yeah. So it's going to install it. It's going to update and upgrade the package, all right? All right, so where we want to continue, yes, press Y and then enter. It's like a Linux terminal, basically. All right, we have it home. Yes, probably. Okay, now I have these questions. By default, I just press enter, okay? But I recommend you guys take some time to read about that. All right, again, by default, I just press enter. Again, press enter, and then again. Again, enter. One more time. Okay, why use Termux if I have a computer? Well, let's say you are on a trip and you forgot your computer. So you can use Termux. Let's say you are a student, but you don't have a computer. You can also use Termux. But what kind of student that studies computer science or cyber defense or computer engineering or any kind of tech course and doesn't have a computer? Well, we have a lot of different students with different positions and financial status. Some people don't have. Okay, and we have to understand people are different. They don't have a computer, sometimes they don't have nothing to eat, you know. Well, anyway, you can install Termux in the cell phone and you can practice with Termux, all right? You can use this. So now we have to set up the Termux storage. To do that, we just type Termux setup storage and press enter. It's going to ask for permissions and we allow it, and it's done. We already have it. Now we are going to install a package wget and fish. So pkg install wget fish and press enter. All right. and then Y, and it's going to install. The next thing is we have to copy the script, the NetHunter, from GitHub. So we are going to use wget https / and then gitlab.com / Kali Linux / NetHunter / build scripts / Kali NetHunter project and then / and then role / and then master / and then NetHunter rootless, because we don't have to use root, and then install NetHunter Termux, right, and press enter. So it's saved. Okay. Well, now we have to give permission to execute. All right, it's exactly the same as in Linux. chmod plus x and then install. I will press tab below the ask to fill and then press enter, and then / install, the same thing, tab and press enter. So it's checking the architecture and checking the dependencies. All right, and now it's going to install Termux, Kali Linux, sorry, on Termux. Well, it's downloading. You guys can see is like 31 megabytes per second. Okay, and then after that it's going to verify the root fs file system. All right, I mean root file system. So let's check it, and soon it's finished we'll start checking. All right, let me see something. Why didn't it work? Because I have a storage here, but the blob, it's not working. The blob. It's blocked on firewall. Okay, but what about Sentinel? Okay, and then here. Aha! I found you. Let's do it again. Let's change it. Password. Okay, Control C, Control V. Okay, now it works. Let's see, restart service. So now it's extracting the root file system. It's going to take a little bit. It will take some time. Okay, I will pause this video and then I will back when it's finished. So let me see here, pause. So guys, here for me it's asking if I want to delete the downloaded root file system. Well, I already installed it, as I told you guys before, but I forgot the audio. I'm just press N for no, okay, and press enter. and it's configuring, and then it's starting the Kali Net Hunter, and here we have Kali Net Hunter. So now some people like to use the GUI, the Graphical User Interface. How can we do that? First, we have to set up a password, NetHunter passwd, and then enter. Now I'm going to enter a password. Okay, enter, and then I just press no, and then all right. So I set it up a password. You guys can check on the menu above that we have some options. Just type NetHunter to start calling NetHunter client CLI command line interface, and then we can install NetHunter kex password to set up a password, NetHunter kex and commercial, and it's going to be for graphical if you want to start graphical user interface, and then kex stop to stop the graphical user interface, and NetHunter R is to run as root. So we are going to start, if you don't like to use the terminal, we are going to start kex. So NetHunter, okay, kex and commercial and press enter. So it's starting the configuration of VNC server. No matching here, and here we have, so we have the display ID, the server, and then the port is 5910. Just come to the term F-Droid, and then let's find let's find VNC, press enter, and I'm going to use mult VNC. Well, I will install it. Okay. And then after installing, I'm going to open, and then okay. Here the address is localhost. The port, remember, is 5901. The user is root, and then the password, we are going to use the password we just created. Okay, and then we can connect. So it's going to connect, giving us, all right, here is the help menu. So here, and we have the Kali Linux with graphical user interface, like that. Okay, so we can see here, I'm going to disconnect, okay, and back to terminal. As I told you guys before, we don't have to use Kali Linux to run Linux tools on NetHunter. We just can install it, like let me see, pkg install nmap, and press enter, and it's going to check for availability, and then it's going to look for. So now we just confirm yes and press enter. Let's see who is calling. All right, new mentions architecture. Right. Okay, so it's done. We finished. Can we run to test it? Yes, of course. Nmap. First, let me check the IPF config. Press enter. Okay. So nmap 192.168.0. slash 24. Okay, and then we are going to scan the entire device or hosts in the same network. Let me see. Oh yeah, I forgot one thing. 10. Actually, 0. Oh, it's 1 and 2. Yeah, exactly. And 24, because if we can use like 16 or 8, okay, but we are going to use 24. Enter, and then it's going to start. Let's wait a little bit. It's running. Let me see if it's recording there. Yeah, it's recording. Okay. Okay, so it's done, it's finished. We have the command, and then we have scan nmap scan report for 04, 06, and 012. We have 4 hosts up. Okay, so we can install Metaxploit framework. We can install other tools also. Okay, so that's it for now. Well, if you like my video, just give me a like. If you are not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, help me to grow, and recommend me a video what you want to see or watch, what do you want to learn. All right, so see you guys on the next videos.